Hey there! Thinking about getting a Lunar account? It's a great move. Lunar is making waves with its sleek app, easy-to-use features, and a whole new way of looking at your finances. Today, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to sign up for your own account. Ready? Let's get started. First things first, you'll need the Lunar app. You can find it on both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. Just search for Lunar and download it. Once it's installed, open it up. You'll see a screen with options to log in or create an account. Tap Create an Account. The app will then ask you to enter your phone number. This is for security, and it's how Lunar will verify your identity. Make sure you use a number you have access to, because they'll send a verification code to it. Type in your number and hit Next. Next, you'll get a text message with a 6-digit code. Go ahead and enter that code into the app. This step is all about making sure it's really you. Once the code is in, you'll move on to the fun part, setting up your personal details. You'll be asked to provide your full name, date of birth, and email address. Just like any other financial service, Lunar needs this information to create your account and comply with regulations. Fill in your details accurately, and then the app will guide you through creating a secure password. Make sure it's something strong and unique. Almost there. Now, you'll need to verify your identity. Lunar uses a quick and easy process for this. You'll likely be asked to take a photo of a valid form of ID, like your passport or driver's license, and a quick selfie. This might sound a little bit intimidating, but the app makes it super simple, guiding you through each step. It's a standard procedure to keep your account safe and secure. Once you've submitted your documents, it's a short wait while Lunar verifies everything. This usually happens pretty quickly. Once you get the account approved, notification, you're all set. You can log in, explore the app, and start managing your money. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you've gone from curious to a full-fledged Lunar user. Welcome to the future of banking. Enjoy exploring all the features and tools designed to help you get a better handle on your finances. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. See you next time.